all three of those at the same time. So that seems to be how they, since they could not play this because it was illegal, they derived the rhythm from this. And we found that same rhythm everywhere so far. Every time we have a group from the diaspora, someone says, hey, we do that. We do this or this. We do this dance. We do this at this ceremony. We do this. So it doesn't matter if it's Barbados and they do tambu bamboo in Trinidad, Tobago. They don't do stamp and stick, they do tambu bamboo. They do the same rhythm. Capoeira, they have that rhythm.
In Peru, we don't do that. We have a lot of rhythms. But in Jamaica they do.
Jamaica they
and
have.
now in the popular music
with the
in
Maroons
Jamaica
especially.
Especially.
Yeah.
No, they have what they call burru.
Burru.
Burru drums.
Uh-huh.
And they mix it with reggae.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So now with the development of reggae,
right.
that bit it's on popular
it's
music.
in there. I see. Yeah. A lot of similarities. Yeah. Right? And so the berimbau. You use the berimbau? Yeah.
Es lo mismo. El atabaca, sí, el tambor hace eso. Es más lento porque es más una follé. No, una follé no, un iyeyá. El ritmo es iyeyá.
Okay.
Y su cultura tiene como esa misma raíz, digamos, de la capoeira o...
The culture has the same roots.
Same roots, exactly. And Angolans were a big part of our ancestors. So you travel all around the world?
No.
No? You just study about it at home? Because you know a lot about capoeira.
Sí, estudio mucho. Viajé a Brasil para aprender.
I did travel to Brazil.
You did travel to Brazil?
Sí, sí, pero en Buenos Aires hay muchos extranjeros viviendo y aprendí ahí.
Buenos Aires, there are a lot of foreigners living there.
Ah, so you get to learn more and more as they come there. Okay, so you live in Buenos Aires?
En Buenos
Oh,
Aires.
nice. I want to come to Buenos Aires.
Dale,
Yeah.
dale.
Now, what do you do in your country? Just dance or?
No, trabajo en una revista de difusión de cultura afro.
I work in a magazine.
Oh, so you're the writer?
Sí.
Okay.
African
Culture publication. Okay, so you're a journalist.
También.
Ah, sí. Okay. And then, okay. Excelente.
Mi número y mi tarjeta y mi correo electrónico.
Excelente. Okay, the Minister of Culture, yeah. I was there last year. I wish I knew you then. Okay, I have to come back.
¿En qué zona? ¿En qué zona del
Which part of
país?
the country were you in?
I was in Santo Domingo.
Ah, en Santo Domingo,
Sí.
la capital.
Only for 3 días.
Tiene que conocer la zona norte del país para que
sí.
conozca la
No, the
música.
northern part of it.
Right. Nice. So good. I can come to another part now. Yes. Now, where you are, do they have like the caves and things that are left from the transatlantic slave trade, or there's nothing left?
¿A dónde?
Is there anything left?
Ellos hay más manifestaciones artísticas.
I basically would deal with artistic expressions.
Okay. That's good.
Pero siempre ha sido como una cultura negada.
But it's always been a denied culture.
Ah, okay.
Tanto la cultura africana como la taína.
Both the African culture
And the
indigenous
indigenous
Porque
Taíno culture.
quieren siempre mostrarnos que somos más, venimos más de España que
because
de
they're
África.
always trying to prove to us that we all came from Spain.
Then we all came from Spain, right? Instead of Africa. I understand. Yeah. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah, the same story. We hear this story a lot. Come. Tell them your name.
Hola, comunidad Gula, acá en Carolina del Sur. Mi nombre es Cristian Bae Lascano, soy un afrodescendiente de la diáspora africana en Chile, en la zona norte del norte de Chile, frontera con Perú y Bolivia. Mi agrupación a la que pertenezco se llama Lumbanga, en honor a un barrio antiguo que existía de negros, y también Lumbanga es un lugar, es el nombre de la zona ancestral en Angola, en Luanda.
sí.
Así que nosotros descendemos de la cultura bantú, en general nuestros ancestros vienen de allá.
Sí.
Y bueno, estoy muy contento de haber visitado la comunidad porque me siento como parte de mi historia que no estaba encontrada. Esos son sentimientos espirituales ancestrales que no son tan fáciles de encontrarlos. Así que estoy muy agradecido de la reina, que los recibió no solamente a mí, sino a todos nuestros hermanos de este programa de beca. Muchas gracias. Un saludo.
I love it. So basically he has had a great time here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, and he is here from Chile, the northern part, right? And there are also connections to Angola there in his part of the country. So for all the 100 children who ain't learned Spanish yet, now you're going to have to go home and learn them any. Okay. And he's had a great day here. Y'all know this is Queen Quetneck. Now everyone, this is my dancer friend right here.
Bueno, yo soy de Argentina, mi nombre es Dina Jonaut, soy periodista y trabajo en cultura afro hace 7 años, editando una revista, y hace 10 bailando. También soy parte de un movimiento que trata de rescatar las raíces culturales africanas de Argentina que están invisibilizadas, y también encuentro muchos puntos en común con la cultura de acá, con la cultura gula y la de mi país y la de países vecinos como Uruguay y Brasil. Así que bueno, un saludo grande a toda la comunidad desde Argentina.
All right, excellent. So now she's from Argentina, as y'all just heard, and she said that she has had a wonderful time looking at the connections that we have between the Afro descendants in Argentina, and with her being here on this trip, she is enjoying the trip and learning our connections. And now we have Paraguay.
Hola, mi nombre es José Medina, soy de la comunidad Cambacuá de Paraguay, de Asunción. Cambacuá es una comunidad afro y Camba significa Cambacuá, lugar de negro. Muchas gracias a la reina por recibirnos en esta comunidad gula y conocer más sobre la cultura y la lengua que nos interesa mucho. Hasta luego y saludo a todos.
Thank you. And so he thanks me as the queen, and he also is an Afro descendant, the study of the Afro descendants in Paraguay. And their connection, come on in sis, while they are here on their journey. So as y'all see, we have yet another one of our sisters, and you are from, and what's your name?
Hola, soy Jacqueline Pavón, un saludo cariñoso para la comunidad gula. Vengo desde Ecuador, de la comunidad afro del Valle del Chota. Estoy feliz de estar aquí, sobre todo de encontrarme con mi gente, porque son mi gente, pues hacemos lo mismo, nos gusta la misma música, tenemos las mismas costumbres, tenemos la misma comida, o sea, somos lo mismo. Y lo chévere de todo esto es saber que estoy tan lejos de mi país, pero estoy con mi gente, que es como si lo estuviese en casa. Gracias por la invitación, gracias a la reina por toda la información, y gracias a Dios por tenerme aquí y darme esta oportunidad.
Sí. De nada. Now she said there are so many connections. There are so many of the same things throughout the different generations, the culture, the music, the language. There's so many similarities. So with all of the greetings she gives from the country, and she's sure that she could bring people from her country here, and there's so many connections that are there. My brother, go ahead.
Soy Edgar Gemio de La Paz, Bolivia, miembro de la comunidad afro-boliviana, y pues estamos gustosos de crear este puente con cada uno de los compañeros que estamos siguiendo la diáspora africana, y encontrar verdaderamente a la reina, pues para nosotros es un escalón más, porque dentro de nuestra comunidad también tenemos un rey afro-boliviano, el cual obviamente está como que invisibilizado, y estamos viendo las maneras, las opciones de poder visibilizarlo y que forme parte obviamente de nuestra identidad. Y esperamos podamos compartir experiencias de aquí en más, que no termine acá y que este proceso continúe. Pues, un abrazo y éxitos.
All right. Excellent. So he wants this process to continue past today, right? And he's made many, many connections already. Now, one of the parts I did not get was from his country. He mentioned something in his country.
They have a king.
That they have a king in their country.
Invisible.
Okay.
They're going to try to
make him more visible. Okay. All right.
That these, making these
bridges, the link would start to help that process. Okay. Excelente. ¿Cómo están?
Bien. Enegildo Peña de República Dominicana, un placer estar aquí conociendo nuestros ancestros. Muy interesante para buscar nuestras propias identidades culturales, ya que los modelos tradicionales tratan de imponer y borrarnos nuestras costumbres. Entonces para mí ha sido un placer estar en este ambiente cultural de la cultura góngula.
Gula Geechee. Gula, 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 gula. Gula, 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 gula.
¡Viva la cultura gola!
Sí! I know y'all got that, Gullah Geechees. All right, we got... Wonderful.
Creo que es lo correcto. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo están? Un saludo muy grande para toda la comunidad Gullah Geechee de parte del pueblo de Perú. En mi caso, yo soy Camilo Riveros Vázquez, nacido en Cusco, crecido en Lima con una familia de la costa norte del pueblo de Jibito, que a su vez tenía afros como indígenas del norte. Entonces soy afroandino y me considero un activista de la gestión cultural, de las artes, en contra de la violencia, por mejores formas de vida, por mejores formas de convivencia, en contra de los racismos hacia cualquier dirección. Así que ojo ahí para poder vivir todos un poquito mejor.
All right, and now I know you speak English, so you say it over in English.
Me dijeron que lo
Go ahead. So go ahead.
Okay. Well, hello. Greetings to the Gullah Geechee community here in the U.S. I'm Camilo Riveros Vázquez from Peru. I'm born in Cusco. I live in Lima with a family from Jibito in the north coast of my country. That's people who are at the same time indigenous, at the same time African descendants. So we fight against every kind of prejudice, every kind of racism, and I consider myself an activist for cultural healthy coexistence. So we work with the arts, with the music.
Yes.
We learn from each other. We learn from our elders and from our friends.
Yes.
So we are really thankful for being here, and we really appreciate all the things, all the food, all the experience that you bring to us, and we hope that you can have a better future.
Thank you.
Than you, because we all know we share a common background, we share common struggles, common issues.
Yes.
But as we share common problems, we can produce different solutions.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you. And we wish the same for you. Definitely. Definitely.
So I'm so glad to have all of these your children that did what we right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, in we Gullah Geechee Garden and things like that. And 100 children know this year the Queen quite head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Plenty of time 100 to see me to leave home, but plenty of time 100 to know how much of people are kind to we home when yet about who we be down here. And when yet what the other rest of people do to we and things like that. And want to know what we to do for we own self. So it's so glad that 100 children can yeti, the other rest of sharing the cracky teeth, were there for part of the African diaspora too, who are there from some of the indigenous people too, whether they all around the world and things like that. And then still, you got the drum, you still got the thing for Nyampan, you still got his spirit, you still got his soul, and most all, you got his faith, that this year day gonna be a better day for all of we when this your time. So I'm so glad that 100 children to tune in to this your Gullah Geechee TV Nation News, and 100 to know that 100 to deal with me, that 100 going to know this year, the what going on. Peace and blessings.